Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 Sets of Twins. I hope you're having a nice day. Hi everyone! We went to Hobby Lobby because I'm getting ready to do some DIYs and I needed some embellishments. My throat's a little froggy today. I drank a lot of water, but for some reason it just will not go away. So let me show you the embellishments I got to use in some of my crafts, and some of it's really, really cool. So, as you know, everything's half price there, 50% off. But oh my gosh, so many cool things. I mean, little snowflakes, mini snowflakes. I hope you can see some of these, but they have a little bit of glitter on them. And I think, yeah, they're adhesive, so you can stick them on things. Sorry. Then I got these cute little trucks. And there's 10 of them. They're 3D, so if you can see, there's like a 3D truck. And they're like, I think like $1.07, no, yeah, about $1.70. Because it was $3.49. I don't know, can you really see it? Maybe pull back on it a little bit, because if you're too close, it blurs it. Plus, we've got a lot of glare in this room. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna have my daughter close that blind right there, and maybe that will help some with the glare because the sun is actually shining through right now. Let's see if that helps some. Yeah, it does. It got a little bit darker, so I don't know why we didn't do that earlier. Sorry. Okay, then these cute little, oh my god, these are so cute. They're snowman gemstones. So they made these little snowmen out of gemstones. It is so cute. They were $1.25. Look how cute that is. Isn't that right? Yeah, $2.50. Yeah, $1.25. Hobby Lobby has the cutest embellishments, guys. They really do. And if you don't get them early enough, sometimes you won't be able to get them. Because I'll show you one that I found that I didn't find last year. And I sort of found it just this past yesterday. And I've never seen it before, but it's 2-pack and it's these cute little earrings. And they are Santa Clauses and snowmen. Look how cute they are. Now, I make my own earrings, so, you know, these are already earrings, but these are $3.50 for 2 pairs of earrings. You can't beat that. Really, you can't beat that. You'll go in some of these high-end stores and probably pay $15, $20 for a pair of earrings. I know I've gone in Cracker Barrel and paid $20 for my little skeleton earrings, which were so cool looking, but, you know, when you want it, you want it. That's all I can say. All right. These also are tree gemstones. They're made out of gems too. There are 8 pieces and they were $1.50. These are just, I mean, they're too cool not to show you guys. They really are. And here's like little glitter holly, and they're gemstones too. I mean, they're just too cute, guys. These were $1.50. Are they not cute? Comment below. I want to hear your comments. Okay, I got, these are cute too. This little Santa suit. It's got a little hat and little booties. And this is Mrs. Santa. No, this is Mr. Santa. Yeah. It's a Santa suit. It's 4 pieces for $1. 4 pieces for $1. You couldn't even get that at Dollar Tree. They're going to probably charge you, you have 1 little piece. Then I got little mini hats. You get 6 pieces for $1. Cheaper than Dollar Tree. I'm telling you. It's time to walk on over to Hobby Lobby. Okay. Then I got, let me see any more. Okay. I got this for me. Okay. This is for me. It is Let's Get Crafty. It's really cute. It's a cute little
ornament.
Yeah, I'll show it to you next time. Okay, this is, yeah, I'll show it to you next time. Okay, I got these cute little deer. They stand alone on their own. There are 6 of them. They have little gold things if you wanted to hang them up. They are cute with their little spots on them. $2 for 6 of them.
Bambi?
This is really cute too. These are gingerbread man and girl, little stocking, some houses, and candy cane. And this was $2.50. Now, I thought this was a great buy. These are ceramic, okay, for you to decorate. You get 2 of them. So they're heavy duty. You get 2 of them for $1. And I got the stars, and they're ceramic, guys. So they're really nice. I imagine you could color them if you wanted to. You could paint them. You can adorn them with different gemstones. I also got the Christmas trees. Got these cute little Santa Clauses. Oh my God, they're so cute. He's about 2 inches tall. You get 2 pieces. He's holding a little Christmas tree, and the other one's holding a present, but that would be cute in any of your little snow jars that you make. Now, I was looking for the big tree cones, but I couldn't find them, but you get 6 of these, and that would be $2, and you can like make little Christmas trees if you do any village scenes. That would be really cute, wouldn't it? Mm-hmm. I wanted a big one. They only had one big one left, and it didn't have a price on it. They were getting ready to close, so I didn't want to bother anybody to say, I'm not going to be that person that keeps them past when they're supposed to close. All right, so this one makes 3 of them. It's the Nativity for $1. Makes 3 of them. Those are 3 of them are in there. And these are the 2 little wooden Christmas trees. It even comes with markers if you want to give it to your kids, or if you wanted to make some for one of your wreaths or any kind of DIY you might have going on for Christmas. Right, this is always a good deal. This guy is $3.25. Is that right? $3.25. Yeah. No. Never mind. Don't even ask me. But I did one of these last year, and I just spray painted him black, and he turned out really cute. So it comes with the different colors if you do want to paint him, or if you want one of your kids to paint him. It's still a good deal. I think these trees are a steal at $2.50. It's got the burlap wrap. It's snow covered already. $2.50. I love this one. These are great in any of your decorations, on your tables, even your dining room. And then I got some of these last year, and I loved using these. These are like, I think they're metal, but they're stars, and they're like 3D, which is really cool. And you get six of them, which isn't bad for $3. But I used a lot of these last year in my DIYs, especially on your wreaths and different decorations that you might have going on. Okay, I have some earrings, which I thought were so cute. These are $2.25. They're a little gingerbread. Look how cute they are for earrings. And then this one is absolutely gorgeous, which I bought 2 of these because I might use one of them on one of my Christmas ball ornaments when I decorate it. How pretty would that be? Because they end up being $2.75, I believe. All right, this is $2.50. I love this. I'm going to put this in one of my snow scenes, or one of my Christmas scenes. It's a little tea set. So you get a tray, you get the teapot, and you get the little sugar and creamer. But isn't that cute? Can you imagine that in a little snow scene?
Really cute.
It'd be really cute. And then I love this one. I don't know why I got this one, but I just thought it was so cute. I just like it because it just reminds me of like an old log cabin. It's already got the snow on it, and they glittered it. But look how pretty that is. It really is pretty. It was an ornament, and I figured I would use that in one of my snow scenes. Remember how I told you I was going to embellish everything? Well, I got some embellishments. These are beads. They're called white crystal bead mix. So there's a lot of them. So I'm going to do a tree with these. And so these were half price, so they were $5. But hopefully I can do a tree with it. Just roll it in some of the Mod Podge maybe. Mod Podge is glue, so. Alright, also got these, which are, I thought this was such a good buy too because it's $6.49. It's a stone mix and it's got all different shapes. I don't know if you can see them, maybe she can show them to you, how cute they are. But yeah, it's all different shapes, colors, sizes. And this one is a different type. It's not clear. It's got some it's got some colors that change colors. You know that?
Iridescent?
Yeah, iridescent. It's got some clear ones and iridescent ones, which I think are so cool.
I love iridescent things.
Yeah, it sort of changes colors. Because how cool would that be on Christmas ornaments or Christmas trees? A lot of glue in them.
I'll do it.
She'll do it. She's that good person. All right, I bought one of these last year. I looked for them. $7.50. Is that right? Don't.
Yeah, $7.50.
$7.50. Anyway, Advent paper mache calendar. You can paint them. You can cover them with paper. But I've got to pull my other ones out because I don't remember if I had one for each child. So I'm having trouble remembering. Until I pull out my Christmas stuff. So the worst part is if they sell out of them, I'm gonna be like, yeah, oh my gosh. Anyway, yeah, these are really cool to do. My kids loved doing that. I had one for Elijah and I had one for Zechariah.
You had one for all of us.
But I don't think I think they had to share some. You two had to share one.
Yeah.
Because remember I put the beads in there?
Mm-hmm.
I did bracelets for them. All right. This is really cool. I hope you guys will help me decide what I want to do with this. So if you would comment below, it's made out of wood. I want it to be really spectacular. So if you have any suggestions, I would thoroughly appreciate it. Okay, I mean this is so important. So yeah, if there's something you want to see, I just thought this was a cool one for $3.50. And ho, 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 my favorite little Santa face. This reminds me of the Coca-Cola Santa. Look how adorable he is with those chubby cheeks, that smile. What a gorgeous Santa. If I can find it, I'm going to see if I can. We had a Santa years ago that was absolutely gorgeous in Fredericksburg. He was like the old English Santa.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, he was gorgeous. If I can find some pictures, maybe we can put him on there.
All right.
Yeah. Gorgeous Santa. Absolutely gorgeous.
He had glitter in his beard.
Yeah, he had glitter in his beard. I mean, one of my kids was really afraid.
It was me.
Yeah, they thought it was the real Santa because he was so...
He looked a little bit too real to me.
Yeah, he was extraordinarily beautiful. And
he was gorgeous.
He was beautiful. I mean, I've never seen a more beautiful Santa. And it was at
Paul's
it was at Paul's Bakery. So Paul's Bakery, I miss you. I doubt if any of you are watching my channel, but I'm sure she remembers because she had him every year. But I think he was from Richmond. He was gorgeous. Okay.
He was so pretty.
Yeah. This I got just because I wanted one of my scenes, but isn't this a nice, it's just a simple, pretty tree. Yeah. And I really like it.
It's heavy.
It is heavy. Then I got this cute little nutcracker because I do have a lot of nutcrackers, but I have mostly the soldiers. But this one is the teacher one. And since I've been a teacher my whole life and I'm a homeschool teacher, is she not so cute? She is. And she is a nutcracker. She's not going to have any big nuts, but...
Maybe a pistachio. A really tiny one.
Yeah. Isn't she cute? Look at her hair. Her hair is so, like soft. She is so cute. Okay, I advise all of you to go out and get one of these because you can put a candle in them underneath and it lights up. But I like these to put them in any scenes that you might have. I have quite a few from last year, but I wanted one where I could just put, you know, lights in it myself. I think they have some that have lights in them too.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, my last two items was if you always go there, always check their clearance because they always have some good buys there. This was $4.08 and it's 44 inches. It's almost a yard for, yeah. And I want to do it on some of my picture frames to have a background of the satin, which would be really pretty.
Mm-hmm.
And then this one, which is really good. This is like yards, so it's a lot of yardage of this. This is about 4 yards for $6.49.
Wow.
Anyway, it's the, I'm hoping it's the one because I'm going to make a frame out of that too. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty?
Mm-hmm.
And that is it, guys. That's it for my, oh, one more. Sorry, almost forgot. I went there looking for a Santa picture, which I still might order. But this one right here, oh my God, is he gorgeous or what?
I really like him.
He was $18, which I thought was a steal. They were out of the Santa ones. I mean, they had the really big Santa ones for $75, but yeah, I'm not rich. I'm just very frugal. And I just love this guy. He's so pretty. Here, Angelina, can you? Oh, he's gorgeous. I can't wait to hang him up in the middle of my room, right over there. I'm going to have to put like a hanger on the back of him so he hangs straight somehow. Yeah, because I don't think they have hangers on them. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for hanging in here with me. If you have any ideas or want me to make something, please say so below. And I appreciate all that you do for my channel. So if you want to subscribe, thank you so much. Hit the like button, the notification bell, and also just share with your family and friends. And I really hope you're having a wonderful day, and I really hope that you get to go out and have some fun. I love you. Take care. Bye.